In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two versions of a document in Microsoft Word. If you've ever received a file back with edits and you're not sure exactly what changed, this workflow quickly highlights differences so you can review updates with confidence. With your document open in Microsoft Word, look to the top ribbon and find the Review tab. This is the home for editing tools like track changes and comments, and it's also where the comparison feature lives. Click Review to make those options visible. Next, choose the Compare command. You'll find it in the Compare group on the Review tab. When you click Compare, Word opens a dialog box that asks you to identify two files, the original version and the one that's been revised. Think of the original as the earlier baseline, and the revised as the newer copy that someone updated. In the box labeled Original Document, select the first file. This should be the version that came first in time, before any edits were made. If you're choosing from your computer or cloud storage, browse to the correct location and double-check the file name and date so you don't accidentally pick the newer draft here. Now move to the box labeled Revised Document and select the updated file. This is the copy that contains edits, additions, or deletions. It helps to keep a consistent naming convention, like including a date or version number, so it's easy to tell which one is the latest. Once both files are set, click OK. Word will generate a comparison document that shows the differences between the two. You'll see markup indicating insertions, deletions, and formatting changes, and depending on your layout settings, you may also see a panel summarizing revisions. The original content stays intact. The comparison opens as a separate document, so you can review changes without altering your source files. If something looks off, verify that the older file was selected as the original and the newer file as the revised. Swapping those can invert the change indicators. Also note that the comparison works best when both versions share the same base text. Major rewrites can still be compared, but the markup may be more extensive. That's all there is to it. Using Review, then Compare, selecting the original and revised documents, and confirming with OK gives you a clear, professional view of what changed. With this, you can quickly understand updates, discuss them with collaborators, and move your document forward with confidence.